early 1992. It says 1991 on the between the doors. 1991.
Okay.
H669264. Yeah. Late 1991. Could be early 1992.
Jäämet. Täytyy on puolitettu. Päivää.
Päivää.
Kuvataan tätä hissiä.
Aha.
Yep.
Yeah, better to be honest.
It says in Finnish and Swedish, 8 personal 6 bedrooms. Shall we try one full ride to basement and 3?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Weird malfunction on my camera. No?
Is it functioning?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I had to restart it. That's something probably with writing. I don't know.
Do you like this elevator?
Definitely. The motor is awesome.
Mm-hmm. But it could have been made also with rocker elevator.
Yeah.
Well, it's a young elevator. Still.
Inspected by QA, inspected, maintained by Kone.
Mm-hmm. Basement and 1.
Huh.
Yeah.
Again.
It's going to be inspected in next year, 2020. Then we can take pictures.
Yep.
This will be 30 years old during 2021-22. Okay, perfect done. Beautiful building. Nice architecture. Postmodernism.
That's